Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and basic connectivity. First, remove and reinsert batteries or confirm the wired cable is fully seated. This rules out simple power faults. Once done, perform a full shutdown of the computer, wait 10 seconds, then restart to clear temporary USB or driver hangups. While the system is off, try a different USB port or repair the receiver so you exclude a single port failure before moving to driver and settings checks. Next, check how the system recognizes the mouse. Open Device Manager and inspect human interface devices and mice. If you see warnings, update or uninstall the driver and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Once drivers are healthy, adjust pointer speed and button mapping in settings. Make sure enhancements like pointer precision aren't causing jumps. If using Bluetooth, remove and repair the device. These steps fix driver-level conflicts and misconfigure. Finish by isolating hardware versus system problems quickly. Plug the mouse into another computer to confirm it works. If it does, focus on your OS or USB controllers. If it fails on every machine, replace the mouse. Make one last pass, reset BIOS or UEFI USB settings to default and update firmware if available, as corrupted controller settings occasionally block devices. If nothing fixes it, the key troubleshooting tip is this. Swap components step by step so you identify the exact failing part.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.